Hi, donor. My name is Rance. I wanted to come on here quickly. I won't take up too much of your time, but just truly show my gratitude and say thank you from the bottom of my heart for your generous donations. And for me being awarded the scholarship and chosen for this is going to be life-changing for me. I'm the first person ever in my family to attend college or to even graduate high school for that matter. So this is going to help me beyond what I could ever put into words, and I'm more grateful from the bottom of my heart than I could ever truly put into words. So thank you so much. I know that you often maybe don't get to see where your generosity goes and who those donations help, but I'm one of those students as a low-income student trying to fund this college journey myself, and with the help of just financial aid and very generous donations and scholarships from people like you, I just want to say thank you. Truly thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I will continue to help people as a psychology major and pass on the wealth. So thank you so much. Truly grateful. Have a great day.